This is my son's bird. Christopher, say hello.
Hello.
What's your bird's name?
Pikachu.
Pikachu?
Yep.
Use lightning bolt.
Why you putting Pikachu?
Because his cheeks are red.
Like Pikachu?
Yep. And
This is my wife's bird.
So tiny.
His name is
This
Blue.
is my original beautiful bird. Dun, 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 drum roll.
Oh, get big.
That's my daughter's bird.
Beautiful, right?
Beautiful bird. Smart bird. We've been with this bird for 7 years already. And with this bird, only
5 hours.
5 hours.
No,
Less,
5
like
hours.
3 hours, I think.
No, man.
Christopher, bring Pikachu over here.
Ay, le mordió el Chris.
Okay, Pikachu been with us for like 2 weeks.
Not 2 days.
2 weeks.
Más.
2 weeks.
3.
No, 2 weeks, Christopher. We've been here with 2 weeks. This is my bird.
Aw.
You said that it was mine.
Okay, it's yours. It's yours, Papa.
Oh, no tengo. Beaver,
They're playing
be
around.
good. Y tú también, Pikachu.
Do you wanna
porque
get some
Pikachu
food?
muerde,
He likes to
mami.
fly a lot. Matt, Christopher wants to. The Pikachu likes to fly a
Yeah,
lot.
just like Chris. Beaver es calmadito. Y Beaver no le gusta al Chris como yo. Beaver le tiene miedo a Dad como yo. I'm just kidding. I'm not scared of Dad. Oh, actually, yeah, because he's an ogre. Oh, you said? Yeah, ¿sabes qué
He doesn't talk a lot,
No,
but
that's
he
Así.
always
También el
flies.
Beaver le hace.
And he does a little tiny sounds.
Say something about your bird, Jeanette.
Oh, he's original.
Original?
Yeah. You guys just bought fake birds. This is original. Bird. Way better than y'all birds.
No, my Christopher bird
No,
It's better
he just flies. Y tiene
because
mucho-
he doesn't buy a lot.
No, he
That's
has
right.
a lot of dust.
Your bird likes to
And-
bite
and-
everybody.
And he
Look,
talks a lot.
Chris trying to get Peeper bird.
Look.
See?
Oh, baby bird. ¿Te dolió?
See, tell you guys that he likes to bite. But he won't bite me.
He almost bite me.
Oh. Are you okay, Chris?
Yeah. Bad bird.
He won't bite me.